Hey, what's up everybody, this is Mike. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing well, and today I brought you here with me and the Mavic 2 Pro, but I won't be focusing on video today. I will be taking some photos and you'll be right with me during the whole process, and that is because I want to test this filter out, and that is the Freewell IR cut filter that has recently came out, and I want to see how well it will perform during the golden hour. Now everything is looking good, and I just want to take some photos and share the whole experience with you. So what this filter essentially does is it cuts both UV rays and infrared rays from the camera, from the visible spectrum of the camera, and these rays are causing light contamination, and they basically have a very negative impact on the final image that you have in your camera. And this filter pretty much absorbs almost all the range of the UV rays and give brighter and sharper picture to your camera with less haze. Alright, so the filter is now installed on the drone, and just one small heads up that I wanted to share with you. This filter is only for photos, so that's why I'm focusing on photos today. It only works if you take photos. It's not good for video, so keep in mind. And also I wanted to share that the price of this filter is $19.99, and you can of course find the link to this product in the description if you want to check it out for your own Mavic 2 Pro. But with that being said, it's time to go and fly. So we are now in the air, and I just want to show you how the image looks like with the IR cut filter. I have framed the shot so I can see this tower in the middle, and I think it looks pretty cool with the light hitting it from one side. And the settings that I'm currently using are ISO 100, aperture 2.8, and a shutter speed of 1/640. Now I'll get the drone back to me. I will remove the filter and put the stock filter on, and I'll show you the same shot without the IR cut filter. It took me 30 seconds to change the filter, so you can't really say that the light conditions are any different. The settings are absolutely the same, and here is how the image looks like without the filter. So you tell me if you're seeing any difference. So with that being said, I am going to return the drone back, put the filter once again, and see what I can come up with in terms of cool photo ideas. Guys, I think I just lost my drone. I was flying around there. I was trying to get the drone back to me, and I was trying to get it back here to land, because I had a battery warning, low battery warning. I had like 30% or 20 something. I was trying to get the drone back to me, and wanted to get it quickly to its home point as quickly as possible, and I think I didn't see those lines. I don't know if you can see them. They're right there. There's some power lines, and I wasn't flying that high, but I wasn't flying that low. I don't know. I really don't know what happened, but there is no direct way to get down there. There is a way here, and there is the tower that I took some photos of, but that road is going like that. I don't know if there is way to get down there, and this is a huge steep cliff, so there is no way I can go there either. So now I hear some people at the tower, so I'll just go and ask them if they know a way to get down there. I know the rough location of the drone, but I don't see it from here, and I don't know what happened. I honestly don't know what I did, but I never do stuff like this normally. I don't do stupid mistakes like that. I'm always aware of my surroundings. Maybe not today, but yeah. So I will try to get down there and do it quickly, because the sun is going to set very soon. Of course, it's just my luck. It's 6 p.m. right now, so the sun is going to set very soon. So I'm going to leave the camera and try to find the drone. Guys, my heart is beating like crazy. Check out, these are the power lines that I hit. And this is the tree that the drone was stuck on. It was right on top, and I had to be really careful to get it down, because here it's also another very steep, I don't know how to call this, but it's very steep downhill here. And guess what? I got it back. I have it. Oh my god, after a few hours of just being here and trying everything I can with all these sticks here around me, it took me so long to find the exact location where the drone was, but I managed and I have it here. It's a little bit beat up. One prop is broken, the filter is a bit scratched, but doesn't really matter. Everything is replaceable. So yeah, lesson learned. Don't be stupid like me. Don't do mistakes like this, and always be aware of your surroundings. It's really easy to not upload this video and not make a fool of myself, but I think everyone makes mistakes, and I own up to my mistakes. Of course, it was completely my fault, but fortunately the drone is alive, it's here. And I just want to say that I'm happy that I got it back, and I will probably never fly here again, but yeah, be careful, don't be like me, don't do stupid stuff like that. And yeah, like I said, it's easy to not upload this video and embarrass myself that way, but I think as humans we all make mistakes, we all make things that we regret sometimes, but we have to come up with the positive out of each situation. I'm still going to upload this video, and I hope that it will help at least some of you to be a bit more careful, even if you have more experience with flying. Like me, I've been flying for 3 years. Even if you have experience, you can still make mistakes. So don't forget that, and just be careful out there. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, for your support, and I'm glad I have my baby back, and I'll see you very soon. Ciao.